More ChatGPT testing. This time I'm gonna be asking it to teach me everything about the Confluence. So, I am a complete beginner with Confluence. Can you guide me step by step? Let's start with that. Of course, I guide you to step by step from the basics to more advanced topics in Confluence. Let's start with the fundamentals. Step 1, understanding the Confluence. And it's saying Confluence is a collaboration tool by Atlassian used for creating, sharing, and organizing documentation, meeting notes, project plans, and more. That's actually a pretty good definition right there. Think of it as a shared workspace for teams. Yeah, okay. Okay, because workspace is also being used as a term in Trello. Logging and navigating to the Confluence. Explore the dashboard, a search bar. This is where you find the pages. Creating your first page. Click on the create button. Okay. Choose a blank page or a template. All right. So let's go with a page. Let's see where else is going to take us. Add a title for your page. I'm going to say ChatGPT as teacher. Use the editor to type content, format text, and insert images or the tables. This is it. This is what it's meant by the ChatGPT, which is nice. And I'm going to say this is a bold text. For example, click publish when you're done. And it's not saying anything in here. It's just saying publish, but it's not giving us. Are there like more options here? Oh, okay. I can schedule a publish if I want, or I can even preview it and everything else. I'm just gonna go with a publish. Yay, my very first page. Organizing content with spaces. Spaces are like folders that hold related pages. Well, considering the fact that it's not taking the creation of a folder within a space itself, this wouldn't be like an accurate definition. But if someone was starting with a Confluence for the very first time, it would take for some time for them to actually understand that there is also a feature of a folder. So that is another thing too. But let's follow our friend ChatGPT. So create a space. We'll give it a name and a description. Well, we don't have the description anymore. So I'm going to name it a name. ChatGPT teaches Confluence. Let me see if there's some robot image avatar. No, let's go with this one. Okay. Knowledge base, default permissions. Yup, yup, and that's it. There we go. ChatGPT teaches Confluence. This is what we got. Give it add pages inside the space and keep things structured. Ha. I would ask, how do I keep my things structured? That is going to be the question. Keep your Confluence content structure helps with organization, navigation, and finding information quickly. Here's a step-by-step approach to structuring your content effectively. Use spaces to categorize content. Spaces are like folders that group related pages together. Example, if you're working on Jira administration, create a Jira admin space to store all related documentation. Okay? Confluence allows nested pages like table of contents. And this is what it gets. So, like Jira admin, and it's saying a parent page. Then the user management, which is a child page, also gives like workflows, custom workflows, and transition conditions. To create a subpage, open a parent page. Click create. The new page will be the child of the current one. Okay, it's saying open the parent page, right? So it's like saying, oh, this is the parent page right here. The only way I can actually see a create if I hover over, so it basically didn't explain where do I need to click this. Okay. So alright, so I'm gonna say in here, sure, child page. Alright. Okay, it's kind of a better structure. Use page labels for easy search. Labels work text. Edit a page, click on the label button and add some of the labels. Okay, add a label. Child child page. There we go. And Confluence can auto add labels. Now, I'm going to say ChatGPT. Okay, cool. There we go. So there is like advanced search and everything. Didn't tell me about the advanced search. Use macros for better navigation. Table of contents macro automatically creates a list of headings for long pages. Add it by typing table of contents. Table of contents. Ah, there we go. It does add it indeed. Add headings to this page. Right. It didn't actually tell me how this really works. So, child page, table of contents. It doesn't show me anything. Because it seems like there are no table of contents in here at all. So if I go here and if I go back to my template, right, and I go for table of contents, there we go. This is something that we have. Now we have like problem statement, scope, timeline, miles, and everything else. But it seems like it's gone now. What? That was weird. Table of contents. There we go. Yeah, this is something that we have. Great. And I can type in table of contents. And this is what we have. Problem statement. It takes us there. Scope. It takes us here. And so on and so forth. Okay. Nice. Page tree. Let's see if it exists. Page tree. It does exist. Root page. Parent. Sort pages by everything. It doesn't really show us anything in here. Restrict to this space key renders a page tree. And it's like, I don't see it in here. Alright, so page tree, and I can say I tried to use the page tree macro, but it doesn't actually show me anything. I can go with that and check if there are child pages. Go to space sidebar, click on span, see if there are any nested pages. If no child pages is it, create one under the parent and try again. Ensure the correct root page is set. When adding a macro, check the root page setting. If it's blank, it defaults to entire space. Try to setting the page where hierarchy starts. And check the space permissions, check for page restrictions, and refresh. Well, I actually kind of did all of this, but it doesn't really show much. So even it said like reload this and this might actually work. Let's see, page 3. No, it's still in there. Example, self and home. And there's like root page, home, self, which is if it's self, then it's this page right here. But it's not doing anything. Okay. Use templates for consistency. Okay. Pin important pages with shortcuts. If a page is frequently used, store it for the quick access. So when I go with this one, I can actually start this page. Wonderful. And when I go back, I have like project management, but here start page. Well, this is actually the start page. We have everything else. No, we don't. Where is the Where's the table of contents? I don't see it. Why is it gone? Is this a bug that I have discovered or something? Because I don't see it in here. Okay, that's interesting. But I think from here, at least the beginner, someone from the Confluence would understand something. So yeah, this is using the ChatGPT to learn the Confluence. That's it. Bye.